In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove alternating colors in Google Sheets using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Alternating colors are used to create striped rows for better readability. But sometimes you may want a clean, plain sheet instead. Now, if you want to remove only the alternating colors, here's what to do. Select the range of cells that have the alternating colors. Go to the Format menu at the top. Click on Alternating Colors. A panel will open on the right side. Click on Remove Alternating Colors. Your striped rows will instantly disappear while keeping other formatting intact. Now, if you want to remove all formatting completely, here's another method. Select your data. Go to the Format menu. Click on Clear Formatting. This will remove colors, fonts, borders, and everything else. That's it. You can either remove just the alternating colors or clear all formatting in Google Sheets depending on what you need.